Hey peeps, so it is what it is. Now today we're going to talk about web WeMod, and WeMod is basically is a general all-purpose cheat. Yes, that's what I said, cheat. So if you have these certain games that you may have, all games aren't supported. It will look up the games that you have installed on your PC, such as Steam and with other locations. You can type in the name of the game. It'll launch it. The web mod should activate, and you can go in and show what you can and cannot do with the game or with this mod. So let's go ahead and bring that over, and we're going to go to one of my favorite, believe it or not, uh, StarCraft does have a mod, and these are the mods that will affect StarCraft. Uh, Fast healing, unlimited population, unlimited resources, God mode. God mode pretty much means that you cannot be killed uh, at all. The only reason the game we're in, there's two things that happen. Either you win or the time limit for the game ends, and it shows that either a tie, uh, and I think that has to play for like an hour. So if you start the game and walk away and come back 2 hours, the game will be ended. But it's you can sit there and they'll attack your ships and there's nothing they can do but die. So let's give a quick example of how this plays. So we're gonna go over here and click this button here. It says play, and it's gonna tell me that it's gonna launch the game outside. Uh, and here we go. We're gonna go ahead and launch a. Yeah, I'm not ready to get that yet. Here, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and hit play. Let's do okay, let's do this one. No, let's do. I want to just do I just want to do a quick game. Now, StarCraft II is a quick game where you can tell if the mod is actually working, and I'm gonna show you how you can tell. Sometimes it's a little flaky. Sometimes you start a game and the mod not working, so you got to go in and hit the play button again on the mod. And so how you can usually tell if your mod is working. When you click to build
Not enough
something,
minerals.
the device
Not enough minerals.
will build almost immediately.
SCV ready.
See, that's taking too long. So let's go. Where's the mod? We're gonna go ahead to. Oh, you know why? Because I don't have anything on. Let's do fast recruiting. Let's go back here to the game.
SCV ready.
Now if I hit this,
Additional supply depots required.
that's because I don't have all the mods turned on. I'm really not trying to turn all the mods on at the beginning.
Roger.
Let's go ahead and just build a quick one. You know your mod is activated when alright, so you see that it's already built. Now you click here and you click that. See, that mod is not, this should happen instantaneous. So let's go back to the mod and make sure that it's actually playing. Okay, so we clicked, let's see. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna go back here.
SCV ready.
So now if I hit this, see how fast that built? That means the mod is actually enabled. And now we can go in and make any of these changes. We can go into God mode. God mode pretty much means they can't kill you. You got superpowers. Unlimited resources it means exactly what it is. Unlimited resources. I'm not really sure what unlimited pop means. Fast healing, that's pretty much stuff. And instant skill countdown. Haven't used it, not really sure what that is. But if you guys get around to using it, I usually use God mode, or I don't even use, because with God mode, all these doesn't really matter anymore. I mean, fast recruiting makes it easier. You can build troops a whole lot faster. Unlimited pop. I think that means pop as for population, because StarCraft cuts you off at about 200. But we're going to confirm that. So we're just going to go ahead and turn that on. And we're going to go back to the game. And I'm going to show you. Now see, they can't destroy this. Now they in here attacking. I'm a little different. I got God mode turned on. So they in here attacking. They can't do rats table. So when I go here, they in here attacking. Nothing. See, notice there's no damage occurring because I am currently in God mode. So I can take my sweet time building whatever I want to build and not have to worry about losing. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to build these great troops just to kill them off right quick. See how fast they build it? Send some troops over here to kill right quick. Just kill these jokers off.
That's fine.
And that is it. They didn't have a chance in hot grease to even beat me.
Will do.
So, and I think unlimited population will also allow you to go past. So each one of these depots handle a certain number, and if you exceed that number, you can no longer build. But unlimited pop on, it doesn't care about this anymore. It just allows you to go ahead and continue building.
I'm going.
I can literally
in the rear with the gear.
build just the basics and win this game.
Add-on complete.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Now, let's go ahead and test what I think I said was correct. Let me just go ahead and build some more troops. Where once this goes past 31, it shouldn't build anymore. But because the mod zone is allowing me to exceed my capacity, and I can keep building, which is very good for me, very bad for other people. Now, there's always been a question about mods, models, cheats, and ethically, you could say, is it wrong to cheat? Yeah. Most of the games that I play, I only use cheats when I get to the point where I cannot go no further. And it's usually not playing against people. It's usually playing against a computer or AI. Because I just haven't. Now, I have not tried this mod in active games where we are having humans, that you're playing humans against humans or teams against teams. I have not been able to. I haven't tried it that far. But if you're doing single play mode or playing against the AI, this works perfectly. It is a little flaky sometimes. I've seen some lanes that it
Add-on
just will not
complete.
engage in, or it'll work, then it'll stop working.
Ready to roll
See,
out.
they scared to come in here and pay me a visit. They ought to just come in and just give me a quick kiss, but that's not gonna happen.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Now we can see insufficient Vespene gas. Let's go over to the mod. We can go to unlimited resources. Where that is, there you go. And then we go back to the game. Now you notice these numbers: F1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write them down, you don't have to switch over. You can just hit the F1 or F2, and it'll change it without you having to flip flop between screens. And you can also customize it. You can change it if you like. So let's go in, and if you notice, let's see. What was I doing? Oh.
Speak up.
And I would never have to build.
It's go time. Kaboom, baby.
Mineral field.
It's on.
Now, it won't show unlimited here, just show what you collected here, but it doesn't matter what you build. It would never tell you no, you don't have enough recipe and gas, or you don't have enough cat and mouse. It would just produce stuff even if you don't have enough resources.
Mineral field depleted.
It doesn't even deduct from it. It just,
Well, butter my biscuit.
why did I put this here? I have no idea. And look at that. Instant.
Upgrade complete.
Now, let's go ahead. So that is a quick
Upgrade complete.
preview of how you can use
Research
WeMod
complete.
on StarCraft. And again,
Upgrade complete.
I don't use it. I don't know if it's even possible to use against other players, but it makes the game interesting, especially if you're fighting against AI players that you can't seem to win, and you want that little extra edge so you can build up big enough. If any of you ever played StarCraft II, once it gets harder with the AI, sometimes you don't even have enough time to build up a base before they come in and start rounding them. So that is WeMod and StarCraft. If you like it, comment in the post a comment in the chat. Says, hey, where can I get this? Or, hey, I don't like it. Or there's some benefits to WeMod. Let me know what you think about this. And there are other games. Like I said, it goes in and it looks at other games that you have, including games that you have on Steam. And it'll tell you if there's mods for it. For example, Frostpunk. There are mods on here. And in some cases, if you ever played Frostpunk, there is a cheat that's built in dev console. If you go in, but it's a little pain in the butt to tassel with it. This one here, you can set the unlimited coal or whatever, or you can set coal. So if you have zero amount of coal, if you click this once up to go to 5,000, it'll give you an extra 1,000 coal, and you don't have to lose everything. The dev console mod, if you engage it, you lose everything. So if you turn the mod off, everything resets to zero, including what are them things called? Not steel. Your Steam cores. So you lose all your Steam cores every time you deactivate it. Don't like it. Here, you could add coal and you don't lose your Steam core, or you could just go here, click that once, and then you'll get 1,000 of them. Yeah. So that is that. And it currently has me now playing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and end this game here. One game that it was working for, but it stopped. I'll probably make another quick video on that one. But let's see if we can figure out where those jokers are.
Ah, you scared me.
Yeah, ain't nobody scared you. Shake a little.
We hear you.
Look. Oh, it's got to keep that palate moist. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do some. Where is it? Nope. Yeah.
Add-on complete.
Man, this is cool.
Engine screaming.
And
Loud and clear.
but not, back in the days when you used to go scouting for the enemy, they just blow you out of the sky as soon as they see you. Now, they were attacking. Now they're like, uh-oh. Let me see if I can get
Mineral field depleted.
Weapons hot.
And notice.
Mayday!
See? Now, I'm going to show you how a good. I'm just going to send these troops up.
Armed and ready.
I'm going to send some
Go
tank
ahead.
up.
What's that?
And you're going to see they're going to have a field day
You gonna give
at
me
this camp.
orders?
And won't lose a single troop.
Mayday!
Now, she's yelling Mayday because she's under attack. But because I have God mode, they can't do anything. They can just keep shooting. You can see that she's being attacked. But if you look at the health, she's good. You just keep shooting and just keep shooting at her. And
Mayday!
yes, there's no need to say Mayday. Exactly. There's nothing they can do to stop her. It's a massacre. And that's
Mayday!
WeMod using StarCraft with God mode activated. Alright, guys. I could go ahead and continue this, but I'm going to quit right now. And that is WeMod. That is WeMod with StarCraft. Using WeMod with StarCraft II mod enabled. So you can now see the wonderful benefits of having all that running. And so, until next time, guys, Ron Tech World, I'll see you soon. Take care.